Hey, what's up, Vechain coin holder? What's going on this time? The Vechain coin price will be pumping up, but this time, my friend, especially Vechain will get a profit 0.11% USD dollar, my friend. You can see here the price will be increased now, and absolutely, my friend, after a fail, every coin will pumps up. So therefore, you can see here in last 24-hour minus 0.34% they were fails down, but in last 7 days plus 0.78% pumps up, and last 1 hour also. So that's mean you can see, my friend, the market cap is also increased 7 billion, my friend. You can see here. I hope they will recover it and they will easily hit now 8 billion, but for that, my friends, they will need now to holder or starting investing, holder or starting holding. Otherwise, Vechain price or more fails down. So in last 7 days, you can see here plus 1.41% the prices pumps up. You know what's the reason, my friend? The reason is very simple, my friend. Is to win a holder or starting selling, definitely the price is dumping down. But when a holder are starting holding, so absolutely, my friend, Vechain price will be pumps up and increasing. So my advice for all of you to please hold down and don't starting selling. Otherwise, my friends, Vechain will never give you a profit and very badly falls down. So therefore, try to understand holder to please. This time you can see, my friend, the price is increasing, so you will need to buy more and more and get a very good profit. So hope you understand. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.